Let me show you how to do the budgeting. On the previous video I showed you how to create a ERP. We created this one. So let's go ahead and do budgeting. Ideally, doing budgeting is accounting for the money that you received. Let's click on it. Then since I'm the owner of the ERP test user and the logged in user here as test user, means that I can make these changes. So let's start with transport. You received 10,000. Let's say you used 10,000 as well. Okay. Accommodation 30. You can say you used 30. Food and drinks you received 20,000. This one always goes overboard. So let's say you use 25. You can see here on the variance, it has changed. Then Uber, let's say use the normal, airtime the normal. Then here we can say instead of miscellaneous using 1,000, you ended up using 2,000. So you can see here on the variance, it's computing for you. It says minus. Anytime it's a minus means the company owes you money. You owe the company money, yes. So you're supposed to receive a top up. Okay. It can be the other way. Let's say, for example, instead of using more, you used less. Like this, you can use less. Accommodation, you can use, let's say, 20 instead. You see now here it equals out. It means that you are supposed to refund 10,000. I don't know if it's clear. If you used less, you refund. If you used more, you receive a top up. Okay, let's go ahead and use more. We see how the top up works. So 30 here, let's say used 2k. So you can see I'm supposed to receive a top up of 1,500. So once you do your things here, you can also justify why. So I remember came in. Okay, something like that. You can always leave comments as to why you used more. Sometimes you might be asked to justify. Alright, then once you are done, you complete budgeting. Confirm budgeting completed successfully. So you cannot now make these changes. And when you go to the ERPs, you can see there's this new ERP that just came in. This is the initial one that for the conference it has been closed. Then there is now a new one that has been born, which is a top up. So one thing, these two are connected. These are child of this. This you can't make changes to it. It's locked because it's a top up. So it just goes through the normal approval, but you can't edit or do anything like that. So just approve it like a normal ERP, then you send the money back to the user, and just like that, now the ERP is closed. That's how you do a top up. Next video I'll show you how to do a refund, but it's essentially the same. When you're doing your budgeting here and you complete, it'll ask you for a reference code. It'll show you the steps on how to send money back to the company. Maybe through the pay bill, buy goods, then you attach the reference code and you complete. Launcher, you can see every transaction is being recorded at the back. You can see they are all doing there. There's this disbursement, there's the first one, all those things. Budgets, if you go to marketing and campaigns, this is a budget that we were using. You can see there's requests, they are showing here. And on top here, you can see the figures are changing, the amount that was allocated, the total allocations, how much has been used so far, the current balance. Categories, nothing much here. I can add or delete categories, but I can show something here on the users. So let's create a new user. We call them jen@mail.com, example.com. Then phone number you can add, but it's optional. It's required when you want to do things like OTP and whatever. Roles currently not done, but you can just say it's a normal user. Then there is this. You can select avatar for the user. Let's see. Let me see what. picture. Yes, no, I don't. Let me use this. Then you crop it. It must be a square. So let's assume we use a picture, a good picture, then save it. It uploads, then you create that user. There's a bug. I'll solve it. Okay. Let me see if I can edit. See, I added a picture of mine. Let's edit another user like this. Where that error is coming from, but I'll solve it. Then let you guys see. So if you go to users and then select a certain user, you can see the requests there down here. These are all the requests that came in. You can see the one that we created it just here. Together it's top up. Okay, cool.